as you can see, we made slime. We put all the ingredients. What are all the ingredients again?
It's like shaving cream, borax,
Yep.
water, and glue.
Yeah, it's like.
But let's get a close up.
And see it pops? Do you hear it?
Let us show you our cool trick.
Alright. So, hey. Let me get on this side.
Here. This is my routine to do it. So toss it, catch it, smush it. So you just want to smush it around. Okay. I'm gonna give it to my brother. 1, 2, 3. Ah, didn't work. 1, 2. See bubble? See bubble? See bubble? Look. And then you touch it and it feels so weird.
And then when you squish it, hear that?
So yeah. I would recommend you making slime. It is very fun to play with. So this was us.
And this is a container because you really need a container.
Okay, we don't need to. Okay. Goodbye, guys. This was us reviewing our slime. Bye.